Look, I shuffle these cards and now I search for ace. Ace number 1, ace number 2, number 3, and ace number 4. I take 4 ace, and now I take 12 random cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's really true. Look, I take 4 ace. Spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. And now I take this pile, I take 3 random cards and put in her like this. I take 3 random cards, put in her like this. I take 3 random cards, put in her like this, and these 3 cards put in her like this. Of course, ace of spades, this is ace leader. It's really true. And now I take this pile, drop it like this. This pile, drop it like this, and squeeze. And now I show it this pile. Look, this is queen, jack, 3, ace, 8, 6, 7, ace, 10, 8, queen, and ace. It's really true, it's really random 12 cards. And now I take this pile, this is 3 random cards and ace of spades. It's really true. And now I shake it these 4 cards like this. And now snap my finger. And now this 1, 2, 3, 4 aces. Of course, these 12 cards, it's really normal cards, no aces. It's really unbelievable card trick. It's really no setup. It's really easy to do. Let's learn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable no setup card trick. It's really easy. It's really unbelievable. It's really crazy card effects. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with your friend magician, why not? And now I teach you this really unbelievable no setup card trick. Alright, let's go. Hi guys, it's really unbelievable foundation education card magic. It's really no setup. Alright, look, you take this deck, you shuffle, you make a really true shuffle. Alright, you shuffle these cards because it's really no setup, and now you take these cards and search for cards. Maybe for ace, maybe for queen, king, it's really anywhere. I search for ace. Ace number 2, number 3, ace number 3, and ace number 4. And take this ace and drop it like this. And next step you turn over these cards, shuffle like this, and deal 1 by 1 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's really true because really 12 cards, it's really random cards. Alright. And now you take this 4 ace, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, and put in her like this. And now you take this pile, shuffle this pile maybe like this, and take 3 random cards, turn over and put in her like this. Take 3 cards, turn over, put in her like this. Take 3 cards, turn over, put in her like this. Show it these 3 cards and drop it like this. Of course, you take this pile, turn over ace of spades. And now this pile, drop it like this. 3 cards face down, 1 card face up. Now you take this pile and drop it like this. This pile, drop it like this, and now squeeze. Alright, look. 1, 2, 3, ace, 1, 2, 3, ace, 1, 2, 3, ace. Alright. And next step, you show with these 12 cards your spectator. You take this pile your right hand and show it 12 cards like this. You take 1 cards, you take 1 cards, you take 1 cards. You take this ace of diamonds and now you make a break. Ace of diamonds, right? I repeat, look. 1, 2, 3, 4. You make a break and save it your break. It's really easy move, look. Look, this is 5, 2, 9, ace, make a break. And now this ace put in her like this. And now you take this next card, 6 of diamonds. And your cards, ace, her, right? Look, it's really easy. Maybe I turn over these cards. Look, 9, 2, 5, ace, 6, right? My ace, her. It's really easy move. Look, I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break, move it like this, and deal these cards, you repeat, make a break, save it your break, and now you move it like this, take this ace, put in her, and take queen, alright? Jack, 2, this is ace, of course this is free ace, this is ace, and put in her like this. Right, look, 1, 2, 3, ace, and random cards. The next step, turn over this pile, make a spread, and count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. And now you make a break 3 cards like this and squeeze this pile. It's really easy because you make a spread, count 3 cards. 1, 2, 3, make a break, and squeeze. Right, and save it your break because this is free ace. Okay. And next step, you take this 4 cards, 1 ace and 3 random cards. Squeeze like this, and now you make a switch. Look, you take these 4 cards, and now you make a switch like this. You drop it these cards, and now you left hand take this 3 ace, and take this ace of spades like this, and now your right hand takes this pile 12 cards, and move it like this. And now you make a spread, and this pile show it like this. All right, it's really easy. 3 random cards, 3 ace, you make break, show this 3 random cards, and of course this ace is really true. And now make a switch, drop this pile, take these 3 cards, of course this 3 ace, and take this ace, put in her like this. Your right hand move it, you spread, your left hand spread these cards like this. And next step, you shake it, snap your finger, move it like this, and show it ace of clubs, ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, and ace of spades. Of course, you show it these 12 cards, it's really true, it's really no guff, it's really unbelievable card take. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.